Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us do this question. Minus 6 plus 12 multiplied by 2 over 3. Most people, they end up getting the answer equal to 4, which is this is wrong. They do this way. They take minus 6 plus 12. They get 6 multiplied by 2 divide by 3. 6 multiplied by 2, they get 12. 12 divided by 3, they get the answer equal to 4, which is wrong. Let us do it in the right way. First of all, I'm going to put the bracket on the numerator. It's going to be minus 6 plus 12 multiplied by 2 in the bracket, divide by 3. And according to PEMDAS, I'm going to start in the bracket and I'll start multiplication because it has more priority than addition. So this is going to be minus 6 plus 12 multiplied by 2. It is 24 in the bracket, divide by 3. Minus 6 plus 24, we get 18. So we have 18 divided by 3. That will give us 6. And this is the correct answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.